certain conditions ng katawan na pwedeng mag-cause ng weight gain.
Hindi lang pagkain yung factor doon. May mga kondisyon na hindi naman talaga may organic problem but more of psychological, di ba? So certain mga depression, okay, that can also lead to increased eating and so associated with weight gain.
Paano natin ma-maintain yung weight natin despite all the gatherings, all the handaan?
Pag tinignan mo yung equation, and involved palagi ang physical activity and exercise. Padaliin natin yung kailangan nating physical activity level. May mga functional movements, yun lang. Sige, let's say for example, let's say rotational movement ng trunk, kasi importante ito eh. Dapat nakakalingon tayo sa kaliwat kanan. May iba paano limingon?
Kasama yung katawan.
Kasama yung katawan. No, that's a dysfunctional already.
Yes, okay.
So every single day, dapat lahat ng ating major muscle groups and yung ating mga major joints ginagalaw natin. And that can be part of the exercise regimen that is done 2 to 4 minutes for every hour of uninterrupted sitting.